This is a complete beginner guide to Messenger in 2026. So the first thing that you have to do is make sure that you have your Facebook account. So after creating your Facebook account, then you can go into your App Store and download Messenger. After downloading Messenger, all you need to do is simply open the application. Then in the first page, you will get the option of continue as your account name. Then all you need to do is tap on continue, and that's all you need to do. Here you can see just like this, your account will be shown in here, and if you have chatted with anyone, it will all be shown right here. So there's a lot of things that you can do in your Messenger. So here we have the Messenger note. If you have any of your thoughts, you can now share it right here. And for another one, we have the Meta AI or search. If you tap on that one, you can now search for the exact person you're looking for, just like this, or else you can simply type Meta and this ask option will pop up. All you need to do is tap on that, and now you can start chatting with your Meta AI. So after doing that, the another thing that we have is people. So if you simply tap on here, it will show all of the friend requests, all of the active member, and in here, all of your friends. So if you tap on notifications, you will be getting all of the notifications of your account. If you tap on the menu bar right here, now you'll be able to get to your settings, or you can switch your Messenger profile. In here, you can also view a lot of your friend requests. You can also create an AI if you want to through your Messenger. Here we have the communities and also message request, and just like this, you will be able to use Messenger in 2026. That's it.